Alright, this is Corey, DS Diving. We're on the sailing vessel Bobby McGhee at Florida Yacht Club. We just got finished cleaning up the starboard side water line. Didn't want to clean up that well. Scrubbed at it pretty good, but it would take a while to get that completely done. So just a thought there. Everything else underneath, the keel, running gear, everything cleaned up good, so let's go have a look. Especially at the water line that have little to no bottom paint on them, so I would recommend bottom paint pretty soon.